Welcome to day 29. Our lesson, Children, read with me. We will bake a cake today. We will bake a cake today. The jeep, the snake ate a cake. The snake ate a cake. The whale wants to play. The whale wants to play. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. May and Jay play at the same day. May and Jay play at the same day. Kate's mate hates the rain. Kate's mate hates the rain. Pete will not eat red meat. Pete will not eat red meat. The dime is mine, but the tie is not mine. The dime is mine, but the tie is not mine. That nice dog might bite. That nice dog might bite. Good job, children.